Harder, this is the hardest I can possibly go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh.
Welcome back to What's Inside. I'm Luke and this is Dan, and today we have 3 different kinds of tablets.
We have the first generation iPad, the first one ever made right here. We have the most current iPad, which is the iPad Pro, but there's been some controversy about the build quality on this.
Hopefully the plastic doesn't compromise any structural integrity later on.
So we thought it would be a perfect thing to see what's inside of the iPad Pro versus the first ever iPad. Which one is stronger? Because our friend Zach from Joey Rig Everything, he took it and bent it in half like it was a piece of paper. And there's been a little bit of backlash in the tech community where people have said, well, all tablets bend. Some people that really love Apple. I'm gonna try bending it with my weak little hands. I don't work out, I don't go to the gym like Zach. And this big box that we have in the middle is actually a computer kit made by Kano. You've seen them sponsoring a few of our videos before. They're sponsoring the video today. If you're looking for cool Christmas presents or holiday gifts, we've been trying to give you some of those. Do Minecraft, you can watch YouTube videos, you can go on Wikipedia, you can use WhatsApp to communicate with people, and you can create hundreds of your own different applications. Thank you to Kano for sponsoring this video. It's time for a bend test.
Let's do it.
Let's open her up. Whew. You gotta give it to Apple. They sure know how to make things look pretty.
Whoa.
This is fresh, this is brand new. Whoa. Go ahead and hold it.
Whoa, that's so light. That's weird. What are those 3 dots? It's weird there's no home button.
That is weird, there's no home button. In Zach's video, he showed right here on the side and right here on this side with this microphone, I think is what that is. That is where some points were that it was weak. Why does it do that? Watch this when I touch it.
That's what happens on everything when you press too hard.
I don't think it does it like in a spot like that. Like look, it doesn't do that anywhere else except for right there.
Okay, yeah,
that's weird. Like I'm not even touching that exact spot. So that's pretty weird, Apple. Lincoln, open up.
Whoa, look at the YouTube logo on that.
I remember that. It used to be on the old iPhone and tablets.
Really?
Yes, that's the way that YouTube looked. Here's your original iPad.
I remember the slide to unlock. I remember that.
Whoa. Dang. Okay, this is old school, yep. Check this out.
What in the world? Look at the settings.
That's interesting, the YouTube logo, it's like an old TV and it came standard on the iPads. I don't know what year it was that they stopped putting YouTube on there, but Apple, it was cool when you had YouTube. So of course the old charging cable, which is
There's a big box. They stopped giving these out.
They did stop giving those out.
Yeah.
And then look what this, what's that thing?
Whoa, I've never seen one of those before.
A headphone jack? Wait,
wow.
Is this the updated one or the old one? Which one bends? Is Zach just a super muscle man, or does this really have like a weak spot on it? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try bending it the screen way first. Is that the way Zach did it?
I think so.
Okay, I'm nervous. My heart is beating super fast. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, okay. I didn't even do it that hard, and it is at that mic point that it bent. Oh no, the whole screen is not even functioning, and I barely even bent that.
What?
Okay.
It just cracked.
It just totally shattered on one bend. All right, now the thing that Zach did is he went the other way with my thumb on the glass. Let's try that. Whoops.
Oh, don't cut yourself. Oh!
Okay, not strong, I promise. I'm not super strong. It did look very easy when Zach did it. Other people made pretty good points that Zach has super strong hands.
You don't have super strong hands.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I really don't, and I'm okay with that. I can confirm
that was really easy.
It's not just Zach's big muscles, right? That was easy.
Yeah, so easy.
Do all tablets bend that easily? The software inside of this, I'm sure, is great. They wanted to make it as light as possible and as easy to carry around, and so it's not as heavy as this. It definitely bent easily. I don't know why no more people aren't talking about it and they're just writing it off, saying that Zach is just a monster and nobody ever bends tablets. In your backpack, or if you accidentally sat on this on the couch, 100% I could see that bending. And this is expensive. How strong is it versus this? That's gonna be the question. I think it's time. This is the Kano kit that's around $200. Comes with the instructions inside, and then you take off the box.
The keyboard.
Keyboard. That's cool. Inside of the box All of the components are in here. If you ever wondered how a touchscreen works, it teaches you and shows you how it works, and you can create different apps based off of it. So the Kano Computer Kit Touch is a computer you make yourself, kind of like Lego. You have the storybook that helps you go through the building phase. You learn about the computer, from the Raspberry Pi system, to the motherboards, to the PCBs. It's a fully working computer. Just like with the Harry Potter wand, you can collaborate with other people that have this computer kit, see what games and apps they made, and you can share the art and the games and the apps that you made. You can even stream HD video and render rich 3D games like Minecraft.
That was nice.
Nice. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to bring it to life. Check it out. Kano, get ready, your computer is starting. Oh, the Matrix. What is your name? Lincoln Markham. Nice to meet you, Lincoln Markham.
Hello. Whoa, whoa, look at this. When I talk, it has like those thingies. If I talk loud, it makes it really loud.
Oh my
and then when I
gosh.
talk quiet, it does. Ah! Hi, 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 hi. Whoa, that looks so cool.
That is cool.
Whoa.
These wires
That's
can
cool.
feel electric charge in your fingertips. There she is.
There it is.
Type in Fortnite. Season 7, there she is. Lincoln hasn't seen this yet.
What?
He's a big Fortnite fan. He's gonna watch it on the Kano tablet
Oh,
that
this
he
is
just
so
built.
cool.
Watch Lincoln's reaction of watching Fortnite.
What? Oh, I'm so excited for season 7. I want to go play it now. That was so weird.
All right, so if you guys are interested in getting the Kano tablet, we'll leave a link in the description to this. Thank you, Kano, for sponsoring this video.
Thank you.
Super cool gift. And now it's the moment of truth. Do all tablets bend? How much improvement has Apple done since 2010 in 8 years?
Will it bend?
You ready? We got the overhead shot. We're not gonna do a jump cut. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You're shaking.
I did it way harder. The screen still works. Let's try it the other way with my thumbs on the screen. Nothing.
So, you did try just as hard. This was a scientific...
I tried harder. I'm gonna
this
try
was
even harder. This is the hardest I can possibly go. This thing is still working like a champ.
Not all tablets bend.
Not all tablets bend. Let's just see what's inside the new Apple iPad Pro.
Oh!
That was so easy. That was so easy. Okay.
Batteries. Oh, you bent the batteries like
I did bend the batteries.
Like crazy.
Underneath this black strip, you can see what's inside of it. Oh, I smell the battery. The batteries are starting to stink. This is the A12X processor. Jonathan Morrison has done some really cool videos showing editing being done with Final Cut Pro using the iPad.
A bit more impressive than the other iPad.
Yes.
This one kind of bends.
It has the potential to break a lot easier. Yeah, that is not
Oh,
nice.
smoke, smoke, smoke.
It's starting to smoke.
Oh, like a blow. Oh, get it out!
Kind of catching on fire right there, the battery is, so
Yeah.
I think this
Oh,
is the part.
it stinks. Get it out.
This is the part we take it outside
out.
and we
Get
end
it
the video. Apple,
Throw it outside.
it's not smoking on fire anymore. So the original iPad is doing well. What should we do with this thing? No, don't throw it. We are going to give away this original iPad, not the iPad Pro that's broken. If you would like this original iPad, you can go to Twitter. We'll give it away to somebody on there in the next week. And again, if you're interested in the Kano computing kit, the tablet, we'll put a link in the description.
down
Really
there.
cool thing for Christmas.
It's down there.
It's down there. Thanks for watching, and Apple, sorry to break your iPad Pro. Please fix it, make it stronger next time. Please.
Just do it. Don't do this to your phones either. That would be really bad.
And add a headphone jack while you're at it.
Yes, do that too.
Oh my gosh. So that's pretty weird, Apple. I'm okay with that.